What's going on, guys? Hayato here, and today I wanted to talk about how you can make sales through Instagram influencers, and I believe it's the easiest way to actually start in Shopify dropshipping. So let's just get right into it.
My money raw, yeah, I'm looking at the bank, same as I do not want to tell, yeah, nuts for my gang, give me just a stain, cover on my chain.
Alright guys, before I begin, I just wanted to say that I am not a Shopify guru or an expert of any sort. I'm just here to document my journey and hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing and maybe learn something from it, so that would be amazing. But without any further ado, let's just get right into my computer. Alright guys, so just to show you that I am making sales and this is all not all fake and everything, this is what I'm doing this month. Here, I can go ahead and refresh this for you guys. Give it a second. There we go. So today I made a sale. The peak hours usually for me is around 7 to 8 p.m. So we should be seeing some more sales today. My Facebook ad account did get banned today, so that's probably one of the reasons why it's not doing too well right now. We have a visitor right now, and if we go to analytics here, I can show you what our sales have been in August. It's already been here, but we can. So here's my sales in August right now. It's not the end of August, so the goal is to reach $2,000 in sales, but we'll see. And you can see here there's some returning customers, and their conversion rate's pretty good with 3.35%. So not too bad. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're in the cheat sheet right here, and let me reveal to you what the very first thing we should do is. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do with Instagram influencers is create a list. You don't have to create over 100, I would say more like 10 to 15 Instagram influencers in different niches. And you want to make sure that each of these Instagram influencers have engagement rates over 2.5%. It can range from 2.5% to 5%. I don't think you'll be able to find one over 5% if they have over 100,000 or 500,000 followers, but if they do, that's even better. You also want to go ahead and check if they have over 50,000 followers and have organic comments. So you want to scroll through their account and make sure that these comments are not simple one-word questions like great or a thumbs up. You want to make sure that they're getting engagement from real people and not bots. So how you check this engagement rate is through flanks, and I can show it to you right here. So if you go to flanks.com, all you have to do is go to platform and go down to engagement calculator. And right where the engagement calculator is, you can actually see what the engagement rate for certain types of influencers is. So let's go ahead and actually look at one of the influencers that we can maybe find here. So I'm on Instagram right here. This is my Instagram handle if you guys want to follow me. Let's see. Let me go to, let's see, Gary V. Awesome. So let's just copy and paste Gary V's. So he has 3.9 million followers. With that many followers, you're not going to get a very high engagement rate. Let's see what it gives us here. Okay, so Gary V's engagement rate is 1.69, and he gets around 64,000 likes and around 2,000 to 3,000 comments per post, which is a lot, right? And this is because he has 3 million followers. If you follow someone who has maybe 50,000 followers, it's going to be a lot less interactions, but the engagement rate would probably be higher. And when you're starting out, I would recommend hitting around 50,000 as well. So Social Blade here actually shows you if someone just bought 10,000 followers or if they actually gradually grew their account. So what I mean by that is when I go to Instagram here, let's put Gary V again. Alright, right where Gary V is, you can actually see if you scroll down here that he's getting consistently a couple thousand followers every day, which is crazy actually. This means that he is getting organic growth, not from bots or anything, but from real people. Let me show you an account that may be buying followers. So if we go to, let's say, I don't know, maybe animals or something. Let's see one that's like up and coming. Animals of IG. Okay, whatever. Let's look at animals of IG. If we go back here to Social Blade, so once we go to this account, you can see how people are unfollowing them every day. So if this is your account, I'm sorry that I'm showing it to you like this, but it's basically showing that they're not getting any growth. They may have actually paid for followers, and this is a reason why that they're losing followers now. So you can see here where they may have actually purchased followers. They went from 2.4 million to 2.55, meaning they probably bought around 100,000 followers, and it steadily declined just because they're bots and they're not real followers, so they can go away very easily. Alright, so now once you have a list of influencers that you want to target, they have a good engagement rate, they have organic comments, and they have real followers that you can check through Flance and Social Blade, then what you really want to do next is negotiate the price strategy with influencers. So this is kind of the price point that I like to think about when I'm talking with influencers. So if they have below 50,000 followers, I usually don't spend more than $10 per post. And the reason for that is because they may or may not be a good influencer, first of all. And second of all, you really might not get the reach that you want with Instagram influencers with less than 50,000 followers. But it's a great starting point when you're really trying to see if your product can get traction or if you want to see your first sale. Then the 50,000 to 150,000, that's kind of where I like to test in the beginning. You would probably spend around $10 to $25, but that will give you a good idea of whether or not your product is actually viable or not. And the rest here you can see. When you get over 500,000 followers plus, your Instagram influencer costs are probably going to be above $60, but you can definitely negotiate. And maybe I can make a video, if you guys want, on how to negotiate with these influencers to get the best price. Now, let me unhighlight this. So yeah, we talked about starting with 50,000 followers, to prove their product and make sure that you spend the least amount of money testing these products. And you can go to larger influencers once you know that this product is good. One other thing that I want to mention to you guys is that you probably need 10 posts before you do shoutouts on influencer posts. And what I mean by that is on your Instagram account, let's say you are running a clothing brand and you are selling something with an animal graphic on the front, then you probably want to throw a couple of your t-shirt designs or maybe just videos of animals on your Instagram page, and you want to have at least 10 so it seems like you have things in your Instagram account. So if people actually go on to the post and click on your link or click on your profile, and they check out your account, you're not going to be left with some blank account. You will have at least some things so you have social proof, right? And when you do these, you guys, you want to always get a post, story, and link in bio. And this is because it's going to give you the best chance for your product to be tested. You want to have them for 12 to 24 hours to optimize the best chance of selling. But for me, if you really want to go cheap, but you want to test a product with a large Instagram account, you can maybe negotiate for 6 hours. But I would recommend 12 to 24 hours is best. Lastly, you also want to create different ad sets for Instagram, meaning different products, variety, ad style. And the reason for that is maybe one ad will not do as well as another one that you've created. And when you go and create these ads, I recommend using Canva to create the ads. So if you go to Canva, all you have to do is sign up. You can sign up through Facebook or your email account or Gmail, I believe, as well. So what you can do is once you're on Canva, you can actually just make image ads for Instagram pretty easily over there. And for Instagram, image ads did work for me in the beginning, but now I think it's turning over to video ads, and I highly recommend using Animoto when you're trying to make video ads. And I can make another video on that as well. And I can also make another video on Canva. Just because we don't have too much time on this video, I'll make a Canva video separately. Alright, so the last thing you want to do is schedule Instagram shoutouts for the launch week. So maybe have 2 to 3 shoutouts for every other day. And the reason for that is because you want to see consistent sales, right? You don't want to just see a spike of sales one day of the week and not see it until the next week. So you want to spread them out, maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If you're on a budget, if you can, do it every day. But if you're on a budget, maybe 2 to 3 shoutouts for every other day, so you can actually go ahead and test if your product, first of all, is working, if your product ad is demonstrating that it's doing a good job. Third, you also want to make sure that your Instagram influencer is actually good. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment below and I'll try to answer every single one of them for you. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks, guys.